promise you what government can do in times like this. We all share the grief. Ako galing pa akong Davao pumunta dito. And I attempted kanina to land, but I could not because nagsisira na ang clouds. So I had to go back again and took the route by land. Just to be here. Sabi niya, bakit importante? Look, I am not into politics. I cannot run again. I am a worker of government together with these guys here. We are working and we work for you. So, nandito kami para to share your grief. But to explain to you, kami yung, for the longest time, a leader, a political leader in my place, you get to have the sense of kung what would be the appropriate explanation in life. Now, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo ngayon, yung tulong sa gobyerno, ako na mismo ang nagsasabi. I will answer for all funeral expenses. I can give you some amount now in addition to what the SWD would give you. Ako na ho ang magsagot sa lahat ng libing, but I just consult with the DSW. We cannot, we will be there to, akin na yan, pati paglibing. Sagot na ng lahat ng gobyerno yan. I'm here to please do not do that again. Matutunaw ako dito. Lahat itong mga sundalo, mga general, mga police, bayad kami. Bayad kami, kaya yan, sila yan. But I'm not praising the soldiers, pero sila yan. Sila yung kot-kot sa Tagalog. Kamot, ano? Minsan nagkukulang. Kasi doon halo kami. Naghukay. Sila yung walang tulog, sila lahat. And because they are government workers and they have to do their duty. In addition to protecting everybody, life. Pati yung re-rebuild na. Remember, idaan ko na lang rin. For as long as there is graft and corruption, and for as long as there is no order in the society, we can never hope to rise. Mark my word, 10 years from now. I am not a Filipino for nothing. I did what I had to do. And whether you believe it or not, I did it for my country.